Did you start a YouTube channel in 2025 and aren't getting any views? Or maybe you're about to start one and don't want to repeat the same mistakes that caused so many YouTubers to give up on their dreams. If so, then this video is a huge gift for you. You know what? These days, AI has taken over the world. There's hardly anything it can't do. So why should we waste hours on research when we have the power of AI at our fingertips? In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete YouTube channel using the help of AI. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't skip any steps, because if you do, you're the one missing out. With this method, you won't just be able to go viral, but you'll also open the door to earning millions. So, let's get started. First, let's create a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, first go to youtube.com and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Use your Google account to log in. If you don't have a Google account yet, you can click on Create Account to set one up. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel from the drop-down menu to begin setting up your new YouTube channel. Now your channel is created, but let's discuss the mistake that newbies do after creating a new channel. Mistake number 1. Uploading videos right after creating the channel. Many new YouTubers get excited and upload videos right after creating the channel, but that's a big mistake. Before uploading anything, you must set up your channel properly. This tells the YouTube algorithm, I'm serious about my channel. If you skip this step, your videos may get buried and no one will see them. To avoid this, simply use your channel for 2 to 3 days. Watch some videos, like and comment on them, and subscribe to a few channels. This way, the YouTube algorithm understands that you're a real user and not a bot. Mistake number 2. No branding, no identity. Your channel needs an identity. Think about it. When people visit your channel, they should feel it's professional and trustworthy. That means you need a unique channel name, don't copy others, a clear and simple logo, a matching banner that tells what your channel is about. These things help you stand out and build trust with viewers. Now, you might be wondering how to do all of this. Don't worry, we'll be using AI to make it easy. First, head over to ChatGPT and give it a prompt saying that you want to create a YouTube channel in a specific category. Ask it to suggest 10 unique channel names that aren't already taken on YouTube. ChatGPT will generate 10 completely unique names for you. Copy the one you like and open YouTube Studio. Now scroll down on the left side and click on the customization option. In the name section, paste the channel name you selected. Now again, we'll come to ChatGPT and ask it to write a good description related to the channel. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide us with a proper, SEO-optimized description, which we'll then paste into the channel's description section. Now, to create a logo, return to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a logo for your channel. Within seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a unique logo. Next, for banner art, go to canva.com and search for YouTube banner art. You'll see plenty of templates. Just pick the one you like and click on Create. Now you can customize it however you want. For example, I've added my channel name here. Once you're done, it's time to upload both the logo and the banner. Simply go to your YouTube Studio and upload the logo in the logo section and the banner in the banner section. After uploading logo and banner, click on Publish and then view your channel. Now you will see your channel is in professional-looking forms. Mistake number 3. Skipping important channel settings. This is one of the most ignored steps, and it's very dangerous. You need to complete these settings before uploading. Country of residence, channel keywords and tags, advanced settings, like audience selection, custom URL, feature eligibility. These settings help YouTube understand your channel and suggest it to the right audience. To do this, go to Settings, then click on Channel. Here, select your country. After that, in the Tag section, add tags related to your channel. For example, my channel is about space, so I'll add space-related tags. To find the right tags, Go to the website rapidtags.io. Enter your niche keywords and hit search. It will generate viral and relevant tags that will help your channel reach the right audience. Next, go to the advanced settings. Here you can select your target audience. If your content is for kids, under 18, turn on the Made for Kids option. Otherwise, select No. Now move to the Upload Defaults tab. These are settings that will automatically apply to all your uploaded videos. If you want to pre-fill your video's title, description, or tags, you can do that here. It saves time so you won't have to type them again for each video. Finally, under Advanced Settings, select your channel's category, choose the video language, and leave the rest of the options as they are. So if you're starting a YouTube channel in 2025, don't rush. Take your time to build a strong base. Because when your channel is well set, your content has a better chance of going viral. In the next part of this series, I'll show you how to find viral video ideas, how to create content without showing your face, and how to use AI tools to grow faster. You can also check my other videos, which is based on different trending niches where you can get an idea on starting a new YouTube channel. So hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of channel you're planning to start. This is your year. Don't waste it. Let's grow together.